Yeah, you got nowhere to stand. You're retarded. Straight. Right,
Yo, tell him hang on. Good.
Yeah, take it easy though. Hold on good, dude.
Yo, mad fun, Nicky.
Yeah, you're fucked. Hold on. Guarantee he flies off.
Oh my God.
You're gonna. He's gonna fly off.
You're gonna get him. Hope so.
I'm fucking out of here, dude. We've been here for a while now. I'm a fucking bounce. Chill, nigga.
Fucked up my ankle a little on that.
What?
Where's that?